Hey gang, what's going on? This is DJ Rocky again. So, for those who do want to hear a review sample of the Electro Voice ZLX 12 powered speaker on YouTube. I'm not a big fan of doing it, but I know someone asked me recently, so what does it sound like? You just showed the product. But I mean, there's some people I guess that do want to listen to it. This is going to be, go ahead and do a quick video. We're going to do 3 different things here. We're going to go ahead and do a vocal. We're going to do kind of an ambient instrumental, and then we'll do some beats. Okay, and we'll do it real quick. So first one will be a vocal, and this is all at 0, right at 0 at midpoint. Okay, so here goes.
Hold me, touch me. Hold me, hold me, touch me.
Now it's at 0. Sorry.
Hold me.
There it goes.
See, feel it, see.
All right, so there's a vocal.
See.
And here's some kind of ambient instrumental. Here's some crispness to it. I mean, it's nice for 0, but I'd probably alter it a little bit. It's more so the synthesized effect, not so much the instrument. For you sound guys know what I'm talking about. We'll go ahead and throw some beats in there in a second. I'd probably alter the sound just a little bit. This is all at 0 on everything. On the mixer it's at 0, and the back of the speaker it's at 0, so a little bit of diffusion there, but again, it's all at 0. I'm not going to go through every single level, but there you have it. This is DJ Rocky. Love and respect all people and all things living. Alright guys, take care, bye.